Good morning, guys. It's March 7th, and I'm going to show you how far I've gone. I finished the lower cabinets, and then I'm going to be working on building the island from the old cabinets. Here's a quick look at the lower cabinets. This is one of them. I'll take you around. I got everything changed up here. I keep moving things to get to other areas. Here's the other ones. Okay, this is just below the upper cabinets here that I finished. Okay, let's see. Now, of course, there will be a brand new oven. And here are the drawers that I finished up recently. I think they look very nice, and it's got that same finish. It's got like a pewter finish, just like with these handles. So I'm going to show you what I've come up with. I took the old island that was actually in this area here. You can see where it was, where the finish was not. And I turned it around 90 degrees and I pushed it in about 36 inches, and I reconnected the water lines and drain line. So this area here, I'll show you as I move it, from about this area here down to, I guess, about 7 feet. It's going to come down to about 7 feet or so. I'm going to put the island by using the old cabinets that I have left. I have one here that I'm repairing, cleaning up. I'm going to glue it, and then I'm going to tack it on. That's one cabinet that's going there. And then another cabinet will be this one here that will be together with the other one. And also I'm going to take a top cabinet, which is 24 inches wide, and I will be connecting that too. With all that being said, it'll basically be about 7 feet long. And with that 24-inch cabinet, this one here, it's only 12 inches deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pantry, which is also 24 inches wide and 12 inches deep. That'll give me the necessary 24 inches that the normal bottom cabinets are. Also, I'm going to have to take part of this door, which is square, and I'm going to have to cut it and use it on this cabinet, this upper cabinet, because the upper cabinets were a little bit different than the lower cabinets. The lower cabinets are all squared off. The upper cabinets are like this, and I don't want that in the lower cabinets. I'm going to make them all rectangle. Okay? Have a great day, guys. Back to work. And God bless. Okay, so I just finished cutting the old pantry, the tall pantry, because I needed the 24-inch wide pantry to be part of my island. I'll show you that now. I put up a plastic wall here so that it wouldn't get into the kitchen as much. Okay, so basically it's going to go like this. Let me show you. All right. This is going to be the island when it's all said and done, facing the wrong side. This one is 24 inches wide. I'll be able to cut the pantry door here. I'll be able to cut this because this will work very well and it's all rectangle. I will have to add another 12 inches back here, which is no big deal. I needed this 24 inches because this is where the microwave is going to go. Okay, so that's as far as I got with this so far. This is part of the old pantry that I cut down to 34 inches so that it would fit well with the island that I'm building. Alright, so I'm going to kind of glue it together. This is a fast glue job, just to get it together. I also drilled in some holes for the dowels on another piece that I took off from the top. Sometimes it's a little difficult to do it with one hand while I'm holding the camera with the other. So here we go. Should be fine. Okay, so it's together. Now I'm going to bring it all in. Hopefully it fits. Okay, once that's down, I will clamp it. And again, one hand Luke. There we go. Let's get one together here. Sorry for the camera bouncing around. Alright, so I got this part done. That part done. Now the top part, where I put the, I drilled the holes in for the dowel piece. There we go. Squeezably soft. See if I can make a little adjustment while it's still wet. It'll be fine. Okay. And that's it for now. She looks pretty good. Okay, so the gluing and clamping and doweling is all done. As you can see, it's all clamped up and no place to go. I use pins too to keep it together down where I need to glue it. And that's it. I'm done for the day, Jack.